Today, I'm going to walk you through how to enable time tracking in your ClickUp workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up time tracking for yourself or your team, making it so much easier to monitor how long tasks are taking and improve your productivity with real data. Let's jump right in. First, take a look at your ClickUp dashboard. You'll notice your profile icon sitting at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. It's your access point for personal and workspace settings. Once you're in, you'll see a drop-down menu, so select Settings from there. This area houses all sorts of customization options, but today we're focused on making sure time tracking is set up properly. Inside Settings, you'll find a section called ClickUps. ClickUps are basically tiny add-ons ClickUp uses to boost the features of your workspace. Think of them like apps that expand what you can do without cluttering up the interface with things you don't need. Once you're in the ClickUps area, you'll see a search bar. Type in time. This helps you quickly drill down to the time tracking features instead of scrolling through a long list. Now you should see options like time tracking and time tracking rollup. For each one there's a toggle switch. Click to turn these on. It's as simple as flipping a light switch, but what you're really doing here is activating a whole new layer of insights. The main time tracking feature gives you the power to track how long you or your teammates spend on a specific task, almost like a stopwatch built right into ClickUp. Let's pause for a moment to talk about time tracking rollup, because this one confuses people sometimes. With rollup enabled, the time tracked on individual tasks is automatically added up, giving you a clear total for an entire project or list. Imagine you're managing a big client project with lots of moving pieces. Instead of checking each task individually, ClickUp gathers all the time entries into one summary number. It's a super helpful way to see at a glance how much work has gone into a folder, a list, or even an entire space. Once you've flipped on those toggles, you might think you're finished, but there's one more step that's easy to miss. Time tracking isn't switched on for your entire workspace by default. Instead, you'll need to enable it for each individual space where you want to track time. Spaces in ClickUp are like big containers. Maybe you have one for marketing, another for client management, and one for internal operations. So if you want everyone in marketing to track time on their tasks or see roll-ups on internal projects, you'll need to go into the settings for each space and repeat the toggling process. It might sound a bit tedious, but trust me, taking a few extra moments now will set you and your team up for accurate, organized time records in every part of your workflow. And if you ever need to audit your time or report to a client, those numbers will be right at your fingertips. And that's all there is to it. Just remember, profile at the top right, into Settings, find ClickUp, search for Time, toggle on both time tracking and rollup, and enable these features in every space where you want them. If you run into any confusion, don't stress, take your time and double-check each step, or pop a question down in the comments and I'll be happy to help. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit like on the video. If you have any questions or want to share how you use time tracking in ClickUp, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical ClickUp tutorials and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.